Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the DirectX version in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings. From there, navigate to the Graphics tab and scroll down. In the Advanced, you can change the DirectX version from DX12 to DX11. A reminder, you need to reboot the game for this setting to apply. Just a small thing, the game is heavily optimized for DX12, so DX11 may be a bit more unstable. It may cause technical issues. Of course, if your system doesn't support DX12, that's okay. You can still play on DX11. Once you made your choice, if you make a change, that is, hit apply. If you want it left alone, you can simply exit the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.